In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change phone number on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three lines, then settings and privacy. Towards the very top, tap at account, then user information, and that's where you can find your current phone number that is linked to a particular TikTok account. To change it, tap on it first. From here, we can choose two options: change phone or unlink phone. If you would like to add new phone number to your TikTok account and remove the current one, tap at change phone. On the next step, enter your new phone number in that text field and then tap at send code. It will send you a confirmation code. You will need to enter it in the text field, and then new phone number will be added to your TikTok account and the old one will be removed. That's how you can easily change phone number on TikTok.